So at least with, millennials and Gen Z that are moving into new homes, they're not as crazy about the aspect of the maintenance with the natural stone. So quartz has become very popular with them. It doesn't stain. It's a great material. They take the natural quartzite, crush it up into this powder. They add epoxies, glues, and then with the computer, they do the lining and the veining for everything. So it's a terrific material that doesn't stain. The upkeep is barely anything. So I've been seeing a lot of that, but with some of the older generations, they love quartzite, the natural stone, and it is a terrific material. Since it is natural, it can be porous because it has some of those properties, those chemical properties, such as calcium. So like your teeth, it can absorb acids and oils. But with the proper maintenance, and we do this the first time, we'll seal it. So you have about 10 years worth of warranty that it won't stain. As long as you keep up with sealing it, I didn't name the product the seal it with. It's called Professional Impregnator. I don't know what Einstein created that one,
Holy
but
smokerinos, huh? Very
not,
porous
it
name.
wasn't
We'll say
me.
it's a porous name.
You just use that every 10 years on quartzite or granite. They're relatively the same material. They're created with the same process of volcanic activity. So it's just sandstone compressed with lots of heat and volcanic activity to create that very durable, not very easily stained material. So I see a lot of that. Quartzite has definitely become much more popular than granite is because in the last, I don't know, 2 or 3 decades, granite was kind of the focal point of natural stone countertops. And that was before, quarries had the right material to really process quartzite. So now in the last 10 years, we've been getting a lot more quartzite, and it's flooding the market. It's not as busy. People like that. They can hit a lot of their secondary colors they're looking for. So like greens, blues, reds. Um, so there's a lot of that. And then there's marble. I know our name's Marble Unlimited, but marble can be a problematic stone. It is mainly calcium based. So it's a lot more receptive to staining and etching with acids and oils, just like your teeth. And since it's so much more porous, the upkeep tends to be a lot more. So the professional impregnator, the bottle says to seal marble once a year, as opposed to 10 years with granite and quartzite. It's just a lot more receptive. So I am starting to see a lot of younger generations kind of tend away from that. Our name is Marble Unlimited, so I don't want to speak poorly about marble. It is a beautiful material and can't quite get that aesthetic with other materials. So it's really just your personal preference.